Good evening. This is All India Radio, Kohima. I'm Jonas Yandan with Evening News. The headlines. PHED Rural Division Dimapur holds Swacchata Samvad with leaders of over 15 villages under Kuhuboto block. Nagaland Congress to launch statewide crusade against unfaithful government on September 25. Nagaland COVID-19 caseload increases to 30,907 with detection of 43 fresh infections. And Union Ayush Minister Sonowal says centre has given emphasis on commercial plantation of medicinal plants. As the nationwide free COVID-19 vaccination campaign at government facilities for those above 18 years is going on, we advise our young listeners to get vaccinated and also help others to get vaccinated. We also advise the listeners not to lower the guard as COVID-19 remains a threat to our health. Please stay at home unless it is essential to go out and continue to follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and state helpline number 18003450019. And now the news. Swacchata Samvad or live interaction with village leaders of over 15 villages under Kuhuboto block in Dimapur district was held at Kuhuboto Town Hall today under the aegis of PHED Rural Division Dimapur. It is being observed countrywide in commemoration of 75 years of India's independence and as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, aimed to encourage all the villages to pass resolutions for sustenance of open defecation-free OTF plus in all the villages in Dimapur district. STO Kuhuboto block Miambemo Ovung encouraged the use of sock pits during the 100 days campaign which started on 25th of last month. District Coordinator, District Water and Sanitation Mission Imo Jungla Longoma spoke on the new Plastic Waste Management Amendment Rules 2021 and exhorted the gathering to resolve doing away with single-use plastics, littering and open burning. She also informed that community-level awareness campaign is being launched for elimination of SUP in all the villages in Dimapur. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee NPCC will be launching a statewide crusade on unfaithful government on 25th of this month. NPCC President K. Terrier, along with his officials, will kickstart a campaign from Dimapur. Terrier said that the Congress cannot change the government, neither can it save Nagaland, but the party can only voice the aspirations of the public. He said Congress intends to share the pains and fears that the demography of Nagaland may change in due course of time. However, maintaining that Congress has been in the opposition for 18 years in Nagaland, the NPCC said it does not have the funds to sponsor the crusade expenses and therefore appealed the public to support the crusade through donations and contributions. Nagaland today detected 43 fresh cases of COVID-19 along with 55 patients recovering from the infection. Tuensang reported 14 cases, Dimapur 13, Muguchung 8, Kohima 3, Kifre and Longleng 2 each, and Woka 1 case. With this, the total confirmed caseload in the state has increased to 30,907. The recovered patients for the day include 36 in Dimapur, 9 in Kohima, 8 in Woka, and 2 in Zunuputo. The total recovered cases stand at 20,835. A positive patient died today, taking the COVID-related death in the state to 640. The state has 467 active patients. India has crossed yet another milestone in the COVID vaccination drive, with the total vaccination crossing the 81 crore mark today. Union Health Ministry has termed it as yet another achievement in its fight against COVID-19. Over 30,000 new COVID-19 cases were reported, while around 39,000 people recovered in the last 24 hours. 295 people lost their lives during the period. The Union Health Ministry said the COVID recovery rate in the country now stands at 97.68%. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on a YouTube channel, AIR News Kohima. Longleng District Administration, along with Beti Bachao, Beti Badhao and Mahila Shakti Kendra Longleng, conducted skill development training on molten basket and pickle making at ESC headquarters Sakshi block. A total of 30 school dropout girls and unemployed women were trained. Speaking during the introductory program, ESC Sakshi block Ruko Setio encouraged the trainees to take such activity as an opportunity to enhance their skill for self-reliance. STO Civil Longling Trongtipa Tongpi encouraged the participants to utilize the skill towards being financially independent. The launching program of C. Gopal Reddy and Company 2-lane Beren Dimapur Road project on National Highway 129A Package 2 in collaboration with MS High Tech Construction & Co. was held today at the base camp Old Jaluki in Beren district. The project is supervised by National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, NHIDCL, under Union Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Addressing the gathering, Deputy Commissioner Beren, Senti Wapangaya, said the road project will be a big boost towards development of the entire Beren district. He also encouraged the company to work with dedication while also maintaining the quality of work. Others who spoke in the program were Zeliangrong Bauti President C.R. Zeliang, Zeme Council President Dr. Tumba Nume, and Village Council Chairman Old Jaluki. Meanwhile, DC Beren has directed all property owners, including private, governmental and other agencies along the 2-lane road project who have received compensation to vacate for construction of the road within 1 month. The Nagaland Government Panel for Review of Communitization of Public Institution and Services Act 2002, headed by Banoz Jamir, today held a consultative meeting at Wokha. In her address, Bano Jamir said the objective of the panel was to take the views of the village-level bodies on how communitization has been functioning in the last 19 to 20 years. She asked the departments to select performing and non-performing villages for conducting survey on the impact of communitization in the development process in the villages. She also handed out questionnaires to be submitted before 15th of next month. Member Secretary of the panel, John Lohe, and other officials accompanied the chairperson. Union Ayush Minister Sonowal said that the centre has given emphasis on commercial plantation of medicinal plants. Talking to newspersons in Guwahati today, Sonowal appealed to farmers to engage themselves in cultivation of herbal plants. He said that the demand for Ayush-related products are increasing of late and the market value of such products is 1 lakh crore rupees worldwide. The minister said that there are 1,700 medicinal plants in Assam itself, and he urged the scientists and researchers to find out the quality and availability of herbal plants in the northeast. Sonowal said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given much emphasis to Ayush Ministry and his ministry is doing research works with various countries. He also said that Ayush and Health Ministry would work together for the betterment of the citizens. The new Chief Minister of Punjab, Charanjit Singh Chani, was sworn in today at Raj Bhavan in Chandika. He became the 16th Chief Minister of the state. Governor Banwarilal Purohit administered him the oath of office and secrecy. Along with him, 2 senior MLAs, Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa and O.P. Soni, also took the oath as cabinet ministers. They will be the deputy chief ministers in the government. Chani replaced Captain Amarinder Singh, who had resigned from the post of chief minister on Saturday after being allegedly humiliated by the party. And now to the news, here are the main points again. PHED Rural Division Dimapur holds Swacchata Samvad with leaders of over 15 villages under Kuhuboto block. Nagaland Congress to launch statewide crusade against unfaithful government on September 25. Nagaland COVID-19 caseload increases to 30,907 with detection of 43 fresh infections. And Union Ayush Minister Sonowal says centre has given emphasis on commercial plantation of medicinal plants. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.